audio recognition, facial recognition software, automated cars, robotic surgeries, personalized product recommendations as you browse through our website, smart cities, and much more. All these miracles are a result of machine learning and artificial intelligence. This vitally important field, a subdiscipline of artificial intelligence, is attracting a lot of attention lately, both for its technological breakthroughs and lucrative career opportunities. Employment website Indeed.com has listed machine learning engineers as #1 amongst the best jobs in the US, citing a 344 rate of growth and a minimum salary of $140,000 per annum. Overall, computer and information technology jobs are booming, with employment projected to grow 11% from 2019 to 2029. More specifically, the Future of Jobs Report 2020 predicts that artificial intelligence will create 12 million new jobs across 26 countries by 2025, representing a net gain of 97 million new jobs created while 85 million are displaced. With high demand for AI and machine learning talent driving high salaries, the majority of machine learning jobs pay well over $100,000 to $200,000 per annum. So how do you become a well-paid machine learning engineer or tap into other machine learning related career opportunities? If you're one of the aspiring machine learning engineers, then it's a perfect time that you start taking your career options seriously. Simplilearn's SkillUp program is dedicated to help you with the best-in-class training from the real-time industry experts with hands-on projects to put your skills to rigorous tests and get you industry ready. The best part is, all of this is for free of cost. Yes, you can start your machine learning journey for free of cost. The course is 10 hours long and all the modules in it are self-paced video lessons with 90 days of access to the entire course. This allows you to learn at your own pace anytime, anywhere. After completing this course, you are awarded a course completion certificate by SkillUp. The course comprises cutting-edge technicalities in machine learning. Throughout the course, you will have an in-depth understanding of machine learning fundamentals, time series analysis in R, and much more. And advancing ahead, you will be introduced to some of the significant machine learning concepts like linear regression, decision tree in R, support vector machine in R, hierarchical clustering in R programming basics, logical regression, random forest in R, and much more. Throughout the course, you will be having a detailed theoretical explanation from the industry experts and hands-on learning experience with machine learning with R. So now you might be thinking, who is eligible to take up this course, right? Well, there are no prerequisites to enroll into this course. Each of you who has a zeal for mastering artificial intelligence and machine learning can take up this course, irrespective of your experience. Experienced industry experts have specifically designed this well-structured beginner's course to enable a smooth learning journey. SkillUp's introductory course is also recommended for those who have some fundamental knowledge of programming but are looking to upgrade themselves with critical AI and ML concepts. This course also caters both beginners and professionals in machine learning development, data science, data analytics, and much more. This self-paced course helps you master machine learning fundamentals. So, what are you waiting for? Head straight to our SkillUp page and enrich your machine learning knowledge by enrolling in our free Introduction to Machine Learning with R course. This will get you closer to your dreams, and what can be better than a free certificate to strengthen your profile? Trust me, certifications bring you one step closer to bagging the opportunity and becoming a machine learning expert today.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.